So I was heavily debating whether to do music or a voiceover. So I did a poll on my Instagram, and y'all motherfuckers had it like a tie. So here I am doing a voiceover for this tutorial. Let's see, not really much going on here. I use KaeCosmetics concealer right now. It's pretty cool. I'm about to run out, so I think I'm going to try somebody else because I like trying new shit. The foundation that I have that's new is Juvia's Place, and I absolutely love it. It's like perfect. It's perfect matte, and you don't have to use a lot like at all to get good full coverage. And for my liquid contour, it's LA Pro Girls. Just like the concealer, it's like a darker concealer actually that I use. And for my baking powder, it's Sasha Buttercup. I think I've been having it for a couple months now. It's a while, lasts me a long time. So of course, with this look being basic, really simple, I wanted to do something different with my eyeliner. And the first time I used this pink, I only used it just as pink, and it didn't show up how I wanted. So I was like, well, let me do a white base first and then do the pink to really make it pop. And it actually turns out really good. It turns out a lot better than I expected, actually. So yeah, these are some more $2 lashes from Amazon, and I've got my new mascara that I use. Is L'Oreal. And then for this lip, I'm going to do literally just a brown liner and clear gloss. And this is the perfect quick and throughout the day. You can just touch this up, because typically the brown liner lasts throughout the day. You just have to touch it up with lip gloss. And so yeah, this is this cute look.